7 steps to create a limitless lifestyle brand. But first, Katrina, what is a lifestyle brand? So glad you asked. It's combining your personal brand with your online presence to create money with freedom. And if you want to know more about that, definitely check out my free webinar at my freebies at fitlifecreation.com freebies. So what are the 7 steps? It is, now that you know what it is, the lifestyle brand, it is setting up and maintaining your social, your website and your blog, your podcast, your online courses, your brand engagements, your travels, which can also mean retreats, you guys, and your communities. So comment down below on what you are going to do to #create it next, your limitless lifestyle brand. And as always, remember, create, transform, and inspire, because you are born to.